Hello internet, that's the boring day today. Today I've been mainly sanding down. Yeah, so not much interesting to do really. Had a clear up last night and yeah, did some more dust today. So, next plan of action. Obviously wallpaper's got to come off. The wife just went on about moving that switch. Could mean more work. Somebody's always trying to find me more work.
The internet would agree with me. The mirror doesn't sit in the centre of the radiator cover. It's off skew and it just doesn't look right.
Oh.
Symmetry.
Oh. Yeah, whatever. So, anyway, back to what I was doing. Turning my back on the troublemaker. Everything's got to come off the wall, which I'm doing at the moment, including the wallpaper. So just taking off what I can. And then obviously do the ceilings, brighten them up, do the coving, brighten that up, and then the walls, which means the home sweet home's got to go. We can get another one, it's no big problem. And then whiting. I've been rubbing down all the banisters and everything today. Yeah, you can see from here. The next bit is obviously painting those white. And then at a later date, because I ain't going to get time, not in this week, do the doors. There is, what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 doors down here to do. It's an absolute nightmare. But there you go, such is life. Right, so not much happened so far. I'll give you a bit of an update when all that's gone. Haha, finally wrote you into doing something.
Yeah, you did.
Ha 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 ha.
I don't actually mind stripping wallpaper.
You don't mind stripping?
Wallpaper.
All right. Don't mind stripping. That's how we first met. There's a story for the internet to speculate about. Yes, we did meet at a strip night. And it was a ladies' night.
Yeah, so it was the men that were stripping.
Hey! I wasn't Adonis back then. Having fun? Changing the subject.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, I don't mind stripping wallpaper.
Well, most of it's gone. Just got to take the radiator off the wall and get that from behind there. Just doing a bit. And then I've got a few holes to patch up there and there. Not going to move the light switch because it is going to be a right pain in the backside because there's stud walls and everything in there. So it would be chiseling the wall out and a right absolute nightmare. But to get around the problem, new mirror. Right. Expensive bleeding option. Anyway, right. So like I say, a few bits and bobs to patch up, but other than that, yeah, looking good. Obviously that's got to come off the wall yet as well. It's a shame really. I'm very tempted just to paint around it. Very tempted. I like it. Yeah, but we shall see. Anyway, I am waffling. So next job, get the radiator off and get that stripped, and then it's going to be paint the ceilings. That's going to be fun. Right, so anybody that's never took a radiator off a wall before, dead easy. Right, first of all, isolate. There you go. Now I know these are old taps, so I'm going to give it a little bit of a too much, and then do this end. And this one's slightly different. You have to use a pair of pliers, grips, whatever you got handy. These are quite handy. Screw it all the way in. On the other side, you've got something similar to this. Well, you've got something exactly the same actually, but that plastic fits okay. Right, next thing, drop them in there. all you need to do is secure that bit. There you go, secure that so it won't turn. Crack that one. You will get water coming out, it can't be helped, and you will get some air from the radiator as well. But I can take that one off completely now. And what I'm going to do is bung it up for now. Actually, it's alright. But when you undo this side, again, same procedure. Try and stop that from turning. As soon as you crack this one, oh, that's a tight one. We did this up last time. That is a tight one. So this is why you want to hold this bit, because you can easily twist the pipe off. This one is ridiculously tight. There we go. So both are loose now. Now open the door. Stick a finger in there. Undo this one. And then from there, lift it up.
All over my floor.
Yeah, then you mop the floor up afterwards.
Yeah.
So usually you do that with two of you. But that was because somebody's video and I tried to be clever. But there you go. Not too much mess. Soon cleared up. There you go. Drama over and cleaned up. Yeah, you'd usually do two people on that. One at both ends. And then stick your finger in the hole and that way, or a cloth in the hole, and that way it creates suction. You don't make a mess, but there you go. You can't do it when somebody's videoing you. Just a little trick as well. Washing machine pipe. So just connect both ends up like that, like that. You can see this one does drip a little bit, but now it ain't going anywhere. If you're going to leave it for a few days, as I am, then that's the best thing to do. Then you're not going to get a mess anywhere. Genius. No, somebody Instagramming.
Yeah.
Instagramming the mess. You never Instagram the nice stuff, just the bleeding mess I make.
No, you have to Instagram it all.
Oh dear.
Before and after.
Oh,
Before,
okay.
during and after.
Oh, okay. Right. Right, I'm having a break. Been at it all day. Well, some of the day. And then it's ceiling. Whee. And just one little supplemental for now. So, as you saw when I took the radiator off, there was a little bit of mess inside it. It's been off all winter, so you're going to get some build up. I've never been able to get the black sludge out of this system. When we bought the house, yeah, the heat had been left for a long time and not treated properly. So all I've got is some garden fittings, okay, on there like that, and all I'm going to do is connect the hose up, flush it out. There you go, hose is in. System's filling up, and any second now we're going to see black sludge coming out of there. Look at that. There you go, easy way to flush out your system. There you go, doesn't too much in it. It's all flushed out now. Good stuff.
Next bit then.
Yeah, next bit.
Oh, I don't know whether I've got you very well because of the light.
There's not much interest in the sea in rolling a ceiling.
Not really, no.
Yeah. Not even sure it needs doing, but there you go.
It'll be clean.
Yeah, it's fairly clean anyway.
Yeah, it's not dirty. I didn't think it needed doing really, but you thought it would.
Well, there are a couple of marks. So
All
it's
right.
done now.
Yeah. All right. Okie dokie then.
Well, it's just gone 7 o'clock at night. Ceiling's done, coving's done, and yeah, it's going. Oh look! Apparently, it's a home sweet home now. Oh well, let's get another one. It is no more. It is there. What will go in its place? We will see.